You can make a high-quality YouTube video by following these useful tips. Plan your video. Before filming, make a plan for your video, including the content, structure, and goals. Write a script, create a storyboard, and plan the shots you need to capture. Use good lighting. Lighting is crucial to making a high-quality video. Shoot in a well-lit area or use artificial lighting to ensure that your footage is clear and well-lit. Invest in a good camera. Use a good quality camera that shoots in at least 1080p resolution. You can use a DSLR camera or a high-end smartphone with a good camera. Capture high-quality audio. Audio is just as important as video quality. Use a good quality microphone to capture clear and crisp audio. Edit your video. Editing is where your video comes together. Use a good video editing software to edit your footage, add music, and create a polished final product. You can now use iTools to make YouTube videos within minutes. Keep it short and sweet. Try to keep your video short and to the point. Aim for a length of around 5 to 10 minutes to keep your audience engaged. By following these tips, you can make a high-quality video for YouTube that is engaging, visually appealing, and delivers your message effectively.